I'm in a 2011 Nissan Juke, and today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first you open your hood, and then right here in the driver's side you should see this tube. This is your brake fluid reservoir. If you might be able to see it with the camera, but there's like a full line kind of right at the top of this little reservoir here. So double check your owner's manual or a good source online to make sure you have the right fluid to add. Just push in slightly and twist to open this. Do all this while the motor's off, by the way. But you can just push it back in when we're done, but we'll pour directly into here straight from your little jug or with a funnel until you get to the flow line. You do want some air gap here, so don't fill it all the way to the top. But when you're done, just push and make sure this is back on nice and tight. And then as every system, make sure there's no leaks. So check for any cracks in the reservoir, breaks in the lines as much as you can. But I hope this is helpful.